Turn your words into a visual spectacle with animated captions in CapCut. Let's dive into CapCut and learn how to make your video captions pop, boosting engagement and ensuring everyone catches every word. First, open your project in CapCut and tap on the text option, then select a text to begin. Type in your first line of caption. Once it's there, tap on the text layer on your timeline. Now, look for the animation option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that. Here's where the magic happens. You have three main categories in animations to introduce your text: out animations to make it disappear smoothly, and loop animations for continuous movement. For that eye-catching intro, let's explore the in animations. Try out the bounce effect to give your text a playful entrance. You can adjust the duration of the animation using the slider below the animation options. A shorter duration means a quicker animation. To keep your viewers hooked, the loop animations are fantastic. The typewriter effect or a subtle fade in and out can work wonders. Again, fine-tune the duration to match your video's pacing. You want it to be visible but not distracting. When your caption has served its purpose, an out animation can be a smooth way to transition. Try a slide out or fade out. To create these animations, simply tap on the Add Animation button at the beginning for your in effect and then add another animation at the end of the text clip for your out effect. Repeat this process for all your captions, experimenting with different animation styles for each line. Mix and match to create a dynamic flow that complements your video's content. And there you have it, animated captions that grab attention and enhance your video's message. Happy editing!